I can provide you with exercises to help develop a six-pack or toned abdominal muscles. Keep in mind that achieving visible six-pack abs also requires a healthy diet and overall body fat reduction. Here are some effective exercises. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Crunches. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands behind your head. Lift your upper body off the floor using your abdominal muscles. Then slowly lower it back down. Leg raises. Lie on your back with legs straight. Lift your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Then slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. Planks. Get into a push-up position, but with your weight on your forearms. Keep your body straight from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for as long as you can. Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your legs off the ground. Hold your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left, touching the ground beside your hip each time. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and bring your knees toward your chest. Place your hands behind your head and alternate touching your left elbow to your right knee and vice versa, simulating a pedaling motion. Mountain climbers. Start in a push-up position and quickly alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, as if you were running in place. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Lift your legs off the ground a few inches and alternate kicking them up and down in a fluttering motion. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back, bend your knees at a 90-degree angle, and lift your legs towards the ceiling, curling your hips off the floor, ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.